Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max System. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly, drop us some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the Nike Air Max System. We got this in the black university red colorway in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's a US 8.5. Now, just before we get into the unboxing, I just want to say a big shout out to Nike actually for addressing a lot of waste, I guess. Usually you get double box, and that's a lot of waste when it comes to using materials. So Nike essentially just delivered one box, put it off, and there's your sneakers. It's good. It's good. I mean, to be more sustainable, Nike have just issued this box. So here it is. There they are. The Nike Air Max System for you. So this is a relatively new silhouette. Big shout out to fellow shoe tuber Life of a Broski for putting this onto our radar. If you want to check out his review and you're sick and tired of seeing my face, you know, I'm allowing you to go to his channel. It's a great channel. So shout out Life of Broski, you're doing good work. So looking at the sneaker itself, let's look at the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole in your traditional Air Max 90 like layout. So if you look at the waffles right there, Nike Air logo also, and it's like, I like this. It's like got the speckled padding there also. Moving on to the midsole, you've got your traditional Air Max bubble right there at the back. And you can see it's very reminiscent of the Air Max 90. It's quite large though, so obviously some parts of the midsole is polyurethane, and then you've got like quite hard plastic which encompasses that Air Max bubble here, and it says the Air Max literally right there for you as well. The upper, so this upper, the majority of the materials that this is made out of are synthetic. All around, you can see the mesh, so it makes it easy to breathe. I like the cuts. So this is synthetic leathers right there, so it's PU. You can see it on the toe box. And if you look at that patterning, it's very reminiscent of an Air Max 90, Air Max 1. No, forgive me, it reminds me of the Air Max 1. Right there. Nike swoosh in the red. And then at the back, on the heel, you got the Nike Air logo stitched on there. Also, tongue, just like the main body of the sneaker is made out of mesh. Then you've got the Nike Air System right there. And on the tongue, it says the Nike Air System. Now, it's a bit confusing because this is the Nike Air Max System, but usually, you know, the Air Max 90 has Air Max on it. It's missing the Max. So I don't know if Nike forgot to do it, if there's a particular reason why, but I think it looks better than Air Max. That little 3 extra letters does no harm in my book. But anyway, I'm really excited to try these on because these are a new silhouette. And big shout out to Life of Broski again, putting this on our radar. Love your work, man. Keep it up, and roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. Nice. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your, oh no. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a half size up to what you usually wear for Nike. These are a UK size 7.5 is what I typically wear for Nike. But these are really tight for me. Maybe I should have just like loosened the laces so it wouldn't have been a struggle to get my feet in. But once I got my feet in, it feels very, very tight. But if you're looking for that snug fit, go true to size. I personally think I should have went a half size up because it's quite tight. All in all, it's a nice sneaker. I do like, you can feel the AIR MAX cushioning on the side of your heel, very nice. And apart from it being tight, it is very soft, like inside, very comfortable. It's a shame that it's tight for me. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.